everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Mcjo Show, also known as Get Your Cook On with Teresa and Scott. We've got a really simple but tasty cook today. Today we'll be cooking
Teriyaki chicken. As Scott said, it should be super quick, super simple, but loads of flavour. Excuse my pyjamas, we've been out walking, we were soaked, so I came home, had a shower and then PJs.
And if you're watching this, thank you very much for watching. There's a subscribe button down here somewhere. It'd be great if you could give that a press. And also just over here, that's linked to our Instagram, the Mcjo Show Instagram. If you want to become one of the 1,000 people following that, that would be really great. Thanks very much, everyone.
Thanks.
Let's get cooking.
So not a lot of ingredients today. We've just got some water for our rice. We've got some chicken thighs that we've cut into thin strips, sugar snap peas, basmati rice, ginger, spring onions, lime. We've got sesame seeds, sesame oil, soy sauce, and some chili flakes. So we're just away to put on our rice. So we're going to add our water, which is cold, to a pot. Then our rice. And we're just going to heat that on a high heat until it comes to the boil. And when it comes to the boil, we're going to turn it down to very low, cover it with a lid, and leave that to cook. So we've got our chicken thighs. We've added a splash of oil to a pan. We've let that heat up, and we're just going to add the chicken and cook that until it's fully cooked all the way through, nice and browned, because we don't want anything chicken.
So you can probably hear the chicken frying in the background there. Hopefully you can hear me over that. Next stage we've got our ginger root. Just peeling that first. Top tip, use a teaspoon to peel your ginger. It's a lot easier than cutting it with a knife, and it also minimises the waste on that. And once that's peeled, we will be grating that ginger. Once you've done your ginger, move on to your lime. And first stage there is to zest it. Once the limes are zested, they're ready to be juiced. Always helps you give them a roll first just to soften them off. It means you get more juice out of them. And just chop them in half. And squeeze them through your citrus press.
We're just going to make our teriyaki sauce. So we've put some brown sugar in a bowl. We're just going to add our lime juice, our lime zest, and our ginger. Our chili flakes, our sesame oil, and lastly our soy sauce. And we're just going to mix that all together.
Okay, so that's the rice cooked. It's had 13 minutes. Take the lid off, pop in your sugar snap peas, put the lid back on, and take the rice off the heat. The steam will cook those peas. It should take about 3 minutes. Now take your teriyaki sauce, add it into your chicken, keep the heat about medium, and that'll just take about 2 or 3 minutes. You're looking for the sauce to start to go sticky.
So while our chicken is cooking in teriyaki sauce, we're just going to trim the spring onions. So now that the chicken sauce has gone nice and sticky, we're just going to take it off the heat and we're going to stir through our sesame seeds.
All that's left to do is serve up. So pop some rice and sugar snaps into your bowl. The chicken teriyaki on the side there. And garnish that with some chopped spring onion. Thanks for watching, everyone. That was a really quick, really easy, and really tasty cook. Hope you give it a try. Hope you give us a like. Hope you give us a subscribe. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah!
I don't know.
You say hello everyone, I'm cooler actually than your shots that go through
No,
and stuff.
it's your bit. It's not my bit.
Ready?
Yeah. Sugar snap peas, basmati rice, that stuff.